Hello everyone, how are you? Uh, Today is a lecture about a part of speech. Those students who doesn't know English grammar properly or can't understand English grammar, so those students please keep in mind I will be upload a lot of video of English grammar. Today I will learn something new part of speech. You can see properly that lecture number 3 part of speech. The first one is let's begin from noun. What's a noun? A second lecture is all about noun. So what we can learning in that lecture of noun, different types of noun. So generally part of speech is there are 8 part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection and conjunction. Let's begin. First one is noun. Noun is simply meaning name of a person, place or thing or etc. Any name, it's called noun. A noun, a types or any different differentiation is I learned in second lecture. So it's simply noun. It simply mean a noun. Just example see. Now move on. Second one, pronoun. Pronoun is basically is used in a place or noun or phrase to avoid repetition. That's mean I said Junaid is a beautiful. Junaid is a beautiful. He run fast. Junaid is a beautiful and he run fast. So he जो है he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. I want her to work with me. Please see the example. I want her to work with me. Basically, I want her to work with me. Let's see her. It's her is pronoun, or I can and basically it's easy to understand a pronoun. Let's example see. I, you, it. I, you, he, she, us, them, etc. is a pronoun. It's a move on a verb. What is verb? Verb. Verb basically showing an action. A verb is showing an action like go, speak, eat. Like I listen to the word and then repeat it. I listen to the word and repeat it. I listen. तो क्या कर रहा है? Listen. It's listen. So verb is a generally it's a action. So an action. I try my best for it. You can understand each and every part of speech. So let's move on. Adverb. You can understand verb easily. So now you will be easily understand adverb. Let's just example. Yesterday I ate my lunch quickly. Yesterday I ate lunch my quickly. It's easy to understand quickly. Let's example slowly, very well, always. That's quickly is not a hard to understand. It's a word. Yesterday I ate my lunch. Okay, but yesterday I ate my lunch quickly. So this quickly is adverb. So now move on. Adjective. Adjective is a describe, modify, or give more information about a noun, pronoun. It's always give information about pronoun or noun. He is run fast. He is run fast. He is run. It's basic sentence. He is run, but he is run fast or he is run very fast. Fast is adjective. Let's move on. Next one is preposition. It's basically easy. Preposition. Preposition. You can understand just the word preposition. Preposition. So the relationships of a noun or pronoun to another word. At, on, in, but, from, with. It's easy. Now move on the just next one. Interjection. It is one of the magnificent part of a speech. Interjection. It's just not a basic grammar. It's just not a basic English. It's the paramount information. Please keep in mind and be positive and learning English with you. I try my best. Interjection just mean a word or phrase that express a strong emotion. It's easily you understand. Wow, for example, wow, he won the match. Wow, India win the match. India won the match. It's hooray. Hey, let's understand interjection. Now last one is conjunction. Conjunction. It's a joint two words. It's joint two words. Just the mean is joint two words or two sentences. An idea or phrase. And or but because yet, so you can learn it's easily from any book, but its understanding is importance. So let's example. See, I was hot and tired but still finished it. I was hot and tired but still finished it. It's see and is a conjunction. So it's a little bit information from me. You can easily see that I attached this page last on the video, so you can screenshot and you can learn this, or it's easily you can take this from internet or Google. It's not very hard, it's just easy. So that's the end of the lecture today. Nice to meet you, and let's meet tomorrow with something new, learning new. Keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.